I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Max See microscope. First, carefully unpack all components from the box, ensuring nothing is missing. Connect the main power cable and then link the microscope to your preferred viewing device, such as a monitor or computer, using the provided USB or HDMI cable. Make sure the stage is completely clear and ready for your sample. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth observation experience. Now that your microscope is set up, let's prepare your sample. Choose a specimen that is suitable for microscopic viewing, ideally thin enough for light to penetrate effectively. Carefully position your prepared sample directly onto the center of the stage. Use the two-stage clips to hold it firmly in place, ensuring it won't shift or move while you are observing. Proper sample placement is key for clear imaging. Once your sample is in place, begin by adjusting the coarse focus knob to bring the image into a general view. Then, use the fine focus knob for precise adjustments, achieving crystal clear detail. To change your view, rotate the objective lens turret to select different magnifications, typically ranging from 40 times to 1,000 times, allowing you to explore various levels of detail. This step is essential for optimal viewing. After observing your sample, you can capture your findings. Use the microscope's integrated camera function to take high-resolution still images or record video. Remember to save these observations to your connected device for later review or sharing. Finally, proper maintenance is vital. Always clean the lenses with a specialized lens cleaning kit after each use to ensure the microscope remains in excellent condition and provides clear images for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.